How can we split text into multiple columns in Excel? Take a look. I got this list here with the name, city and age. I just copy and paste this straight from my email and it's all in the single column, column A. First, you will need to select your data. You can select the range if it's short like that, or you can click here at the top to highlight the whole column A. Then be sure you are in Data tab here at the top. And you should be able to see this option, Text to Columns, here. Click on that. And now you will decide that you want to use some kind of symbol in your column or just fix it width of the column as the separation. In my case, I got this symbol here, so I can use that. So let's continue on. I click next and they will ask me which symbol I'm going to use. It can be tab, semicolon, comma. That's in my case correct answer, so you must adjust that. Take a look. Space, it's not suitable for me because I got something like New York here with the space bar, like space between name of the city, right? So that will generate me extra column. So that's not for me. I use comma. Luckily there's comma between those values, so I use that. You can also put any custom symbol over here. Then I click next. We got some additional options here. We can adjust what type of column you want. All that stuff is here, but you can simply click finish at this point without any changes and adjustments, and you should be able to get separate columns. In my case, I get 3 columns. At first it was all crammed in column A, but the program detect a comma and separate that into 3 columns for me. Of course, you can manually adjust the data type as well later on. Simply here from general you can make a number. Here you can be sure it's text. So all of that can be also adjusted after you split your data already. Alright, so I hope this was helpful. Remember, select your data, go to Data tab, and the option is called Text to Columns. See you in the next one.